Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's pre-match analysis of IPL 2016 game number 41. RCB take on MI at Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. Well, the track, it's a flat track, it's a small ground. RCB, they would want to get 210 and bat Mumbai out of the game. 210, it's not safe, but it's defendable. Given the RCB bowling lineup, Shane Watson, he has come good in the last couple of games. He was the man of the match in the last game, so he would be really important to RCB's bowling. Chris Jordan, he's a death over specialist, but he doesn't have too many variations in his armory. He just try and bowl those Yorkers, and if they don't land on the mark, he's going for a lot of runs. He went for 52 runs of his quota of 4 overs in the last game. Virat Kohli is entrusting him with another game. I hope Chris Jordan performs well today. Yuzvendra Chahal bowled really well. He flighted the ball. He got a couple of wickets. Iqbal Abdullah, he's a left-handed bowler. He should bowl better than he did last time. Try and go for less than 8 runs per over. Stuart Binney, well, he bowls a couple of overs of dibbly-dobbly military medium bowling. He swings the ball a little bit in the beginning, so he's also important. Varun Aaron, he's not making any impact on the game as a bowler. He has the pace. He has to get his line and length right. Then he could be really, really effective. If Chris Gayle opens along with KL Rahul, I'm not sure who's going to open for RCB. Tim Southee, he's the main weapon for Mumbai Indians. Tim Southee can swing the ball into the left-hander, and that's what he should try and do against Chris Gayle. Breach his defenses, get him LBW or get him bowled. Chris Gayle, well, I don't see him changing his game a lot. He might take his time in the beginning because he knows he can make up for the lost balls or the dart deliveries later on if he hangs around for a while. KL Rahul, he's in top form, he's going after the bowling, and he should do that today and just make Chris Gayle take his time, bide his time, chaperone him like David Warner has been doing with Shikhar Dhawan. Virat Kohli, if he bats at number 3, well, that's one of his best positions to bat. Even coming at number 3, he could get a 70, 80, he does that. Virat Kohli, Shane Watson, AB de Villiers, Chris Gayle, KL Rahul in top form, Stuart Binney and Sachin Baby down the order, 210. It's gettable. They just need a good start. Mumbai Indians, on the other hand, they wouldn't want to chase anything over 190. Anything over 190, it's psychological advantage RCB. Mumbai Indians batting, they rely a lot on Rohit Sharma and the form of Ambati Rayudu. They both did not click last time around, and Mumbai Indians, they crumbled against SRH bowling attack. They could not even get to 100, chasing 177. Jasprit Bumrah, well, he's a good bowler. He bowls well at the death. In the last game, most of the Mumbai bowlers went for plenty of runs. They were not effective. Harbhajan Singh, he showed signs of good form. So he should be flighting the ball. Maybe he should open the bowling from one side along with a fast bowler and then attack Chris Gayle, flight the ball, make him drive the ball a little away from his body and bring short third man in point into picture. Mumbai Indians batting, I was talking about it. Well, Josh Butler, Kieron Pollard, Krishal Pandya, they've all been amongst runs. They've all performed. In the last game, they all got out early. Nobody performed. But I don't see the chances of happening the same thing twice. Hardik Pandya, he's sitting out today. Nitish Rana, I haven't seen him bat. I've heard he's a good batsman. He averaged more than 50 in the Ranji Trophy last year. So Mumbai is making a gamble and bringing him in. So he would like to come good if he wants to play more games in this tournament. Problem for Mumbai, if Hardik Pandya is not playing, then they'll have to make Kieron Pollard bowl. And Kieron Pollard, he's been really, really expensive with the ball. If he bowls, RCB, they need to attack him, take him for 13, 14 runs per over. Kieron Pollard is one of the worst bowlers to be bowling in the T20 tournaments. He doesn't bowl at pace. He doesn't have any variations. His slower deliveries and faster deliveries, they all look same. For me, although RCB is not chasing, it's game RCB. Mumbai Indians, they would give a good fight, but I am with Virat Kohli and company. Best of luck RCB. Mumbai, give us a good game. Fight in this game. Don't crumble like you did against SRH. Enjoy the game. I am hoping for a run fest. Small ground. Great wicket to bat. Plenty of sixes are in store for you. Bye-bye for now. I'll talk about this game in my post-match analysis later on. Have a good day. Have a good night wherever you are.